This is our last review section. Please repeat after me. Review 复习 Ouch 哎呦 I have a headache 我头疼 I have a bellyache 我肚子疼 I have a stomachache 我胃疼 I have a toothache 我牙疼 Achoo I have a cold 我感冒了 Achoo 我感冒了I have a cough 我咳嗽I have diarrhea 我拉肚子I have a fever 我发烧 I'm constipated 我便秘 Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of you. It only has been 53 lessons, and you have learned so many different types of fruits, drinks, and sickness symptoms in Chinese. That is incredible. Keep up the good work. Next class, we're gonna start a new subject. See you soon.